Hey y'all, I know this is really grainy, the video, but I want you to see the fireflies behind me. In this little grove, there's a bunch of them. Hear the little lovebirds. So I wanted to show you guys the fireflies in my backyard because I wanted to make an analogy to everyone that's married. You see those little flickers of light everywhere in this bush back here? I love it. It is around sunset that the fireflies come out. I live in the South, and they always just are they're little sparks, right? Little tiny sparks of light that you can see flickering. And just when you see all the little sparks together, it makes this beautiful moment, right? It's like, I want to go watch the fireflies. But usually it's like one. You don't see, sometimes they all light up at the same time. But oftentimes it's like the little glimmers of light. And then when you see all the little glimmers together, it makes for a big, beautiful show. And I was thinking about, like, in marriage, it's really a lot like that at times, where there's just a lot of little moments that we get with our spouse during the day. You get a lot of little moments I'm going to take these off so you can see my eyeballs a little bit better. I know it's grainy, but there's a lot of little moments that we have throughout the day, throughout the week, to keep little sparks flying, like these little fireflies. And maybe just seeing one little spark may not seem amazing or great, or like it's making like a beautiful impact or something in your marriage. But when you put all these little lights together, these little flickers of light, and you see them all together, it creates something beautiful. And I just wanted to share that because oftentimes the little things, it can feel like it's not a big deal because it's so little. And it is a big deal. The little stuff matters. The little hug, the little look, the one word, the one-liner, the kiss, the chore, the little chore, all that kind of stuff. It adds up. And when we're consistently thinking of how we can just shine and keep the spark going, it creates something beautiful. It creates a ripple effect. You'll see when one light goes, another one often follows. Because one of the fireflies will see the light, and then the other ones will go off after it. Let's see if I can get a picture of what I'm talking about here. They must see me filming them, and they're getting camera shy. But when you see one, then you'll see like 5. There's one. Come on, guys. And all of a sudden they'll light up. Anyway, the analogy is just that it's just like in a marriage where, you know, one person will do one thing to spark up the joy or the intimacy. I'm really trying to get you a picture here. Oh, there you go. One will spark the joy or the intimacy, and then the next one goes. And we get to be that light for each other. So in your marriages, you get to be that light for your spouse. And you get to step out and shine and do the little things. And when your spouse sees it, they're going to want to shine and do a little thing for you. And it just keeps going. Like a beautiful symphony of fireflies shining in the night. I love it. So think of that this week in this weekend, when you step into your marriage, think of things that you can do for your spouse that may seem little, but that will leave a shining little glimmer of light and love and joy. And just wait and see. And I bet when you start doing the little things and shining, that they will follow. All right, you guys, this is my Friday Night Live. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend together in your marriages, and that you get your date on. And if you need any support in that, go check out my website at hotdatenight.org, and you can check out a few of my date packages that I have there to support you guys, because I love planning your dates and keeping the sparks of love, passion, and joy alive in your marriage. All right.